got here is a DeWalt DW411 palm grip sander. Serial number, whatever. I don't know what year it's made, but made in Mexico. Ancho in Mexico. Why do I have so many yellow tools? Well, it wasn't because I was a loyal DeWalt fan. It's just easier to find yellow tools. I like the red ones too. What do you call? Is it Milwaukee? Has the red ones? They make some really cool tools also. But I'm gonna hand sand this because that thing's a little too awkward, and I'll just show you what I'm doing real quick, and I'll stop it here and I'll show you the end result, just to give you a quick sample. That's pretty much what I'm doing, just trying to get it smoothed out. If I was the world's perfect carpenter, I would have it perfectly straight and it would all be cut perfect, but you know what? I'm not the world's perfect carpenter. Don't plan on it, don't ever count on it, well, it is what it is. So anyway, stay tuned, I'll show you the end result.